and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be cleaning and shaping our Evenstar amulet. And hopefully it'll come out good. As you can see, I have finally cut my hair. It's been a long time coming. I think this is the first time that I've cut my hair since this whole craziness has started. So, that's why there's no hat. Because I don't have hair that needs to be blocked. It doesn't go in my eyes. It's great. Anyways, let's get started. So this has come out very nicely. It is shining up very well, and I think we are ready for the last step, which unfortunately, because of time, we're gonna have to save for next week. So I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell, so then you'll get notified whenever I put out a video. I do about 3 videos a week, and I hope that you all enjoy them. So next week we are going to be doing, of course, another polish with the hand cloth, because I'm going to be handling it. So we're going to be doing another polish just to make sure that it's nice and clean. And we're going to be putting in the gems into the centerpiece, and it will be complete. This project has taken a very long time, especially near the end, because I'm trying to not ruin it in any way. So putting in the gems is going to be the last thing I can do, and hopefully it turns out well. That's what I'm hoping for. There's one prong in here that I'm iffy about. I don't want to touch it. In any case, like I said, I hope that you all enjoyed, and I hope that I see you all in the next episode, which, if you enjoy chainmail, that'll be my Knitting with Metal series, which those are my lives. And if you're just here for the jewelry, then that will be on Sunday, and that'll be next Sunday. So I hope that I see you all in the next episode, and have a wonderful evening.